Welcome to 5 is Enough Day 7. Let's start on our backs. So we're going to keep our left foot planted. You might like to simply bring it a little bit more centrally on your mat and cross the right knee over the left. Once you're there, you can bring the arms out towards the T and just let the legs sway from side to side. So kind of make this movement your own here. Notice how the lower back feels. Notice how the hips are feeling. And then bringing that rocking back to center, pick that left foot up, bring the knees in towards the heart. You might even like to hold on somewhere with both hands. Feeling a big stretch, most likely into the outer right hip, the glute. Maybe one or two other places at the same time. And we'll let that go. We can flip-flop those legs so that the left knee ends up on top, the right foot sets down, arms find a T shape so that the knees can rock from left to right. Just a few minutes to get things going, get the blood flowing, put a smile on our face, hopefully. Let the legs find the center. We'll pick up that foot, maybe latch onto the legs somewhere with our hands. Feeling the nice stretch here as we breathe in and out. You can let go with the hands, unravel those legs, maybe hug both knees in towards the chest here, just rock a little bit just to massage that lower back one final time. And then we'll roll ourselves to one side, just pick your favorite. We're coming to a nice tall seat with the legs extended outwards into a little bit of a pizza shape. Again, not your biggest shape here. Hands are propped behind us, flex through the feet, and then send both feet over towards the right, just as far as they'll go. Keep the legs nice and straight. The knees are not allowed to bend. And then we'll try the other side. Oof, much harder for me. Just one more to each side, sending the feet right, still flexed, and then sending them over towards the left. And then return to center, give those legs a little bit of a shake. Let's bring the knees in so we can roll ourselves into a tiny little squat here. We're coming to stand towards the center of our mat. So you can press the heels down as we roll ourselves up. Inhale the arms up tall overhead and see if you can balance on the balls of your feet. So this is easier said than done. Again, we're looking to find a specific gazing point somewhere off in front of us. Squeeze to the glutes. Let's see if we can hold for 3 and 2 and 1. Let the heels lower softly down. Let the arms lower alongside. And we're just going to roll right back from where we came. Chin finds the chest. Spine starts to round. Let the hands slide down the legs. Lowering one knee, still in the center of our mat, more or less. And then the other, finding this tall kneel. And then you can extend that right leg off to the side, almost like a little kickstand. Inhale to sweep the left arm up towards the sky. And exhale, maybe you lean slightly over towards the right. Big side body stretch, maybe feeling it into the inner thigh as well. And then release. We'll keep the legs as they are, setting the left hand down, reaching the right arm, up towards the sky. A little bit of a twist here. And then bring that right hand back to your hip. Press yourself up off of that left hand, coming back to a tall kneel. Allowing yourself a smile as we then find that kickstand, this time with the left leg. So take a moment to kind of find the position. Reaching the right arm up long. Keeping the left hand to the hip or maybe letting it slide down the outside of the left leg as you lean yourself over towards the left. And then straightening yourself up, we'll let the right hand, find the mat. The left arm reaching up long, so arms are reaching in opposition here, fingertips as far away from the floor as possible. And then return that left hand to your hip. Press off of the right hand. Find your tall kneel. And sit yourself off to the side. We'll simply swing the legs around, finding any comfortable seat that you might enjoy so that we can rest down on this right hand and draw some big circles with that right arm going backwards. Let's just go for 3 of them. Follow the motion with your gaze, follow the fingertips. And straighten yourself up once more. We'll try that second side. Left hand reaching down beside you. And right arm sweeping into those circles, going backwards. And you turn this into more of a reach, more of a twist. And then sit yourself up tall. Take a few circles with the wrists in one direction and in the other direction. Wiggle the fingers out. Close the eyes. Let the hands rest down. Take a breath in. Take a breath out. Fantastic work today. You've just experienced a taste of my free 7-day 5 is enough challenge. So if you enjoyed this class, I invite you to join the full challenge. Just click right here or go to the link on screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe so we can keep practicing together, helping you feel and move better every day.